Hey Splasho, check out my remote control helicopter. Ooh, it's cool. It could track down Mixels. Mixel doesn't make any inventions to destroy us. Seems smart. Okay, let's check this out. Here we go. Isn't that cool? This is perfect. I built this castle so Mixels won't get around me. No one's gonna stop me now. Jeez, what's going on in here? Wait. Oh. It's a blue helicopter. I could take it back inside. Did you see him? Yes, he's inside this Mixel castle. Look like. Okay, he's bringing it in. Okay, we're inside. You're gonna love this, cameraman. Hold still, second. Oh, come on. Yeah. There we go. Hey, I'm back. Oh yeah, I'm alone. That's perfect. In you go. This elevator is too fat. There we go. Now, what? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Ow! Ah! No, 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 no. No! No, 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 no! Ah! Oh, ow, my legs! Ooh. Cussy Mixel helicopter. Oh. No, 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 no. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Oh, I can't feel my... Ouch. My bones. Isn't that cool? We could destroy this castle someday. That's great. So let's go.